All right, we've got a wind advisory in effect for today. That is why today is an impact day. Many of us are in the 40s and 50s to start off with this morning, but I think temperatures will actually drop as we head into the afternoon hours. So this is at noon today. You'll notice a 30-mile-an-hour wind gust forecast around then, and many of us are down into the 40s. Not only do we have temperatures on here, but we've got the wind chill on here as well. So 46 in Cullman, but it will feel more like it's in the 30s. 49 in Birmingham, 42 the wind chill, 53 in Anniston at noon today. And then temperatures by 3 o'clock continue to drop down into the 40s for a lot of us. So we're going to kind of hover in the 40s with those colder feels like temperatures heading through the afternoon, and those winds that could gust as high as 30 to perhaps even 40 miles an hour. That could cause a few additional sporadic power outages, a little bit of spotty light rain. The threat for a few flurries mixed in North Alabama as we head into tonight, possible but no impacts. Now, then the real cold air starts to rush in, and so by tomorrow morning, I do think there will be some spots on the map that are below freezing. 30 in Cullman, Arley, Hamilton down to 29. I think we'll get close to that in Birmingham, 33 in Bessemer, 32 in Trussville with 33 in Calera. We really rebound on Friday. Friday looks to be the warmest day with 67. And then heading into the weekend, we get our next chance for some rain to arrive. Now, the weekend doesn't look to be a washout. I think we'll start in the 50s on Saturday morning, and then temperatures climb into the mid 60s. And then by the afternoon, we'll start to see the chance for some rain rolling into the area. So if you've got plans Saturday afternoon, especially if you're along and south of I-20, just know that there could be some rain that interrupts your Saturday afternoon or evening plans. And then on Sunday, don't forget, we spring forward this weekend. There could be a few lingering showers around in the morning. Sun's not coming up until a little bit after 7, but it will set closer to 7 o'clock Sunday afternoon if we're able to see it, if the clouds aren't still hanging around. If we don't, though, by Monday and Tuesday, plenty of sunshine expected with upper 60s, and then we're even into the 70s toward the end of the 7-day period. Back to you.
Thank you, Steph. It is now